Namaste and welcome. I'm speaking to you from the Coast Conservation and Coastal Resource Management Department Media Unit. Our coastline is our lifeblood, and today, we are taking a massive leap into its future through the power of spatial intelligence. We recently achieved a major milestone. 45 of our dedicated officers completed an intensive GIS training program at the Postgraduate Institute of Science, Peradeniya University. This isn't just a course, it's the foundation of our Digital Coast initiative. By integrating drone surveying, we are now capturing high-precision data that was once impossible to reach. This spatial data allows us to monitor erosion, manage resources, and protect our ecosystems with surgical accuracy. To ensure this knowledge stays alive, we've launched the GIS Help Desk, a supportive platform for continuous capacity building across the entire department. We are building a culture where data drives every decision. Moving to our latest strategic operation in Mannar, the Coast Conservation and Coastal Resource Management Department is introducing a breakthrough in coastal mapping. Traditionally, shifting vegetation due to erosion has made it difficult to maintain a consistent legal baseline for setback certifications. To solve this, we are proposing a shift to a fixed reference PVL, permanent vegetation line. By utilizing our high-resolution drone orthomosaics, we are establishing a stable, digital baseline that remains constant regardless of physical soil erosion. Once mapped and archived within our GIS dashboard, this baseline serves as the permanent legal reference for all setbacks. This ensures absolute legal consistency for enforcement, a metric that doesn't erode with the sand. We look forward to further technical insights on this approach during our upcoming help desk sessions. At the Coast Conservation and Coastal Resource Management Department, we are not just monitoring the coast, we are defining its future through intelligence. This approach provides time-stamped evidence, creating a robust institutional memory that aligns perfectly with the 2024 CZ&CRMP and the Coast Conservation Act. It is a landmark integration of technology and law. Our ultimate dream? An AI-empowered department. By merging spatial intelligence with artificial intelligence, we are ensuring that Sri Lanka's coastal management is not just reactive, but visionary. The future is here, and it is spatial. Join us on this journey. Subscribe for more updates from the Coast Conservation and Coastal Resource Management Department Media Unit.